Hello, hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to come to you. Another day is here, and we are going to get into business, as you know. Well, if you are joining us for the first time, I would like to inform you that we build our programs one on the other, so I encourage you to watch previous programs in order to be abreast with what we are talking about, since sometimes we discuss things in details, and if we are just continuing, we may just make references to them. We've been talking about how to migrate a group into a team, moving from a group state, just people coming together, to becoming a team to fulfill a purpose or to achieve a desired aim. It is very, very important that we also get to know few things about what to look for when you are on a team. So I'll start with a few questions. I mean, these are questions that everybody needs to ask himself when you are on a team. So for instance, are you sought after for your position, or are you seeking the position? Were you sought after, or you were looking for it? And if you were just looking for it, then you will be just position-minded. That is why you find some people on a team, if he's, a secretary or whatever, you don't call him by that name, you'll be in problem. Because they are position-minded. Before you get anything done on the team, you have to find out, are you sought after, or you are rather seeking for the position? Number two, are you a team player, or just love to be with the team and wear the jersey? Are you a team player, or you just love to be with the team, wearing the same jersey with the team? There are some people who just, not really see a need to join something apart from maybe, oh, all my friends are there, so I just want to jump in there. I mean, what else do you have to do on a weekend if, not go maybe join a certain club, but you are not asking, what can I contribute? Am I really needed here? Is this helping me in my general schedule and my life? So these are things that you need to do. Going further, number three, what are you bringing on board considering the vision of the team? Every person should be sure that you have something to bring on board considering the vision. And usually the leaders of the teams would designate to each and every person what they have to do. But definitely you, as the team player, you must also know what you are bringing on board. And that helps to make you be used at a place where you matter most and where you have your strengths. Number four, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go to the people, or you wait for people to come to you? There are many people, when they assume leadership, they sort of sit in their own comfort, and then they want everybody to come to them. The question is, are you ready to go, or you will wait for people to come to you? If you really want to be a team player, you must be outgoing there. You must be on the offensive. You must be reaching out. You must be asking questions. You must be incorporating others. So don't sit back and say, well, I came on the team and, I'm just sitting. No, try and make sure you reach people. And you know what? In life, when you go to somebody and you say, good morning, the person would respond to you. Why? Because you've taken a step, and actually the message you are bringing is something that is worthwhile. So you would get a good response. Number five, how committed are you to walk in integrity with the serving in the position that you are serving in? How committed are you to walking in integrity? We all need to walk in integrity. Without integrity, we cannot build anything that will last. Without integrity, we cannot build anything that can attract others. Without integrity, we cannot build anything that can be identified or evaluated to say this is solid. So integrity is very, very important. Be people of your word and make sure that you don't overpromise and then underdeliver. You have to rather do it the other way. Maybe you say, let's do more. It is absolutely important. So please remember, we don't have to just be existing, but we have to be valuable where we are. Number 6, what is the character of your leadership, or what is the style of your leadership? Are you the bossy style? Are you the one who works like a politician? Are you, leading like a pastor or a shepherd? Are you leading, with wisdom and so on and so forth? There are so many leadership styles and characteristics that each and every one who is involved in leading one way or the other needs to know about these things, because they are what you would need as you walk and lead other people. Number 7, what do you think got you the position you are in now? Wow. What do you think got you into the position? Is it your eloquence? Is it your professional, acumen? Is it contact? Is it what? So you have to know what got you to where you are. And that helps you to migrate things from where they are to their next possible levels. It is very, very important that you always find out and make sure you understand that you are ready and willing to make sure that you portray the right character so that people can follow. Number 9, what legacy are you going to leave? Because nobody will last forever. What legacy are you leaving behind? How would you like to be referred to when you are not here? All that depends on what you do right now. You have to live a life of legacy. You have to put yourself in a position where what you have, you are reproducing it in others, and there is hope in the people that, yes, it will be well. So don't forget to ask yourself these questions before somebody asks you. Absolutely important. Number 9. So what legacy are you willing to leave? What legacy are you willing to leave? We talked about it. Number 10, are you honest publicly and privately? When we come to check you out publicly and privately, are you the same? It is a must that we become publicly honest and privately honest. And in fact, public things mostly are what people see, but who you really are is when you are left with yourself. And if you can tell yourself the truth, then you are on a journey going somewhere worthwhile. Number 11, are you committed to the development, improvement, and upgrade of your team? Are you committed to the development, improvement, and upgrade of your team? Any team that you are on, you should be looking forward to improvement, for encouragement, for update, for newness, new stuff. It is very, very, very important that you understand that in this life, nothing will last forever. But then, are you committed to development, to improvement, and to upgrade of your group? And the last one, how deep is your determination and decision to be on the team? How deep is your determination and your decision to be on the team? Well, this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. We come to you always with this program so that we can give you bits and pieces of information that will help you in life. As you have heard, these are recommendations and things that you need to know before you get into a group. For those who are already, walking this way, it will be like a reminder to you. But I want to encourage every one of us to embrace these things and walk in them. Till we see you again next week, I am Dr. Albert Kitcher, and I have come to you from Today's Family. We look forward to hearing from you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.